remember the mortgage crisis we had in the 90s, where a lot of us lost money, and it was all due to bad loans, junk loans. She negotiated and stood her ground, such a great package for California, and created reform in how real estate loans should be done. So, on a more personal note, she gets introduced on a blind date to this not young attorney. He's an adult, he's a divorcee, Douglas Emhoff, and they go on a blind date. And one of her good friends sets her up. And he was born to Jewish parents, and they lived in Brooklyn, New York. He lived in New Jersey, and then he came to Northridge, California. Now, I have to tell you, he's taken time off from his job to be, the first, what should we say, the first, second man? I'm not sure. Uh, so he has two children, and it's so cute that Cole and Doug Emhoff didn't want to call her stepmama. So they call her Mamala. And there is a word in Judaic, in Hebrew, which says Mimala, which means little mother. So Kamala has become the little mother in the family. And she says she gets along very well with Kristen Emhoff, which is their mother. And they were all together at the graduation. So it's a truly modern family. So, what else can I tell you about her? Uh, she has been awfully lucky. She's never lost an election, except this presidential one but she got very close, as you can see. And I just wanted to, one, give you something about how she came to be what she came to be. On July 4th, one of her heroes and inspirations, Thurgood Marshall, he was a Black Supreme Court judge, gave a speech that deeply resonates to her. We cannot play ostrich. If you remember, what do ostriches do? They bury their heads in the sand, right? Whatever's happening around you, you're not going to pay attention. He said, democracy just cannot flourish amid fear and rage. Liberty cannot bloom amid hate. Justice cannot take root amid rage. America must go to work. We must dissent from the indifference. We must dissent from the apathy. We must dissent from the fear, the hatred, and the mistrust. And so this group grew out of this call to action and out of her belief that our fight must begin and end with speaking the truth. And I don't know if all of you know this, but Martin Luther King modeled his civil rights movement around Gandhiji's ideas of nonviolence. And if you notice, they always wear the Nehru cap. And so I just wanted to read a couple things from here. She says, it's how I first really learned that you can have very close relationships with people, even if it's not on a daily basis. She's talking about a relationship with her maternal grandparents in Chennai. We were always there for one another, regardless of what form that would take. My mother understood she was raising two Black daughters. She knew that her adopted homeland would see Maya and me as Black girls, and she was determined to make sure we would grow into confident, proud Black women. And I think you've seen her time has really come. So there are a couple questions people had, and I wanted to share for you her voice for justice. And she said, this is part of the tragedy. When people hear that a mother has lost a child to cancer or a car accident to war, the natural response is collective sympathy and concern. But when a woman loses her son to violence in the streets, and please look into your own selves, ladies, you see that all the time. Even our responses, oh, ye kale to aise hi hain. We stereotype them. The response from the public is often different, almost a collective shrug, as though it's an expected eventuality, not the horrific tragedy of losing a child, but rather just another statistic, as though the circumstances of a son's death define the value of his life. This is what happened with George Floyd, and you can see what a movement it created, as though the loss she has suffered is less valid, less painful, less worthy of compassion. So this is what drives Kamala. That's what I wanted to share. So I wanted to share with you a couple pictures here. And this is a great comment she makes. This is the spirit we need to bring to building a more perfect union. Recognition that we are part of a longer story. We are responsible for how these chapters get written. In the battle to build a smarter, fairer, more effective criminal justice system, there's an enormous amount of work to do. We know what the problems are. So as you can see, ye jo ideas and defunding the police, community work, these are all things that she has been in the center of and worked really hard to overcome. But I did want to show you some pictures. These are her parents. If you are you able to see it?
There's,
There you go.
this is good. This is good. A little, yeah.
Good?
More left. Yeah, this is good picture. Yeah,
Are you able to see it?
yeah. We are able to see it. Yeah.
And if you look at Shamala, doesn't she look like any one of us? And Mr. Donald Harris is a pretty handsome man, as you can see.
Yeah.
And Kamala actually bears a great resemblance to him, I think.
Yeah, she does.
And then at the bottom, I don't know if you can see this picture, there she is with her friend Betty Lenore. That's Shamala on my left, your right. And Betty Lenore becomes Auntie Lenore. So it sounds so much like our Indian system where the aunties, and the same with the Chinese, become a big part of bringing you up. So I have to tell you, in nature, even whales and dolphins have an auntie system. So it's not just humans. This is her grandma on Mr. Harris's side. This is a picture in Jamaica in happier times. She's the baby. And this is her Donald's mother, her grandmother.
Actually, we can open it up to questions now.
Just a minute, Dinesh, just a minute. Give me a minute. These are those pictures. And then I wanted to show you her wedding pictures in a minute. But I thought this was so cute. And this could be any of our kids in a churidar pajama.
Yeah.
Maya and, oh, am I going the wrong way?
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Stay right.
Right. And this is Mr. Gopalan, the grandfather who was such a big influence. And this is in Zambia. And you would love to see a picture of her in a sari, but I don't see one here. But I wanted to mention one important thing. If you remember in the presidential when she was a candidate, she told Mr. Biden that you were against busing. So what was busing? This was a famous issue that was done to integrate Black and white neighborhoods. So from the flatlands of Berkeley, a school bus would take a couple of the Black children to the white schools that were, of course, much better to integrate them. And this was a famous ruling, Bob Brown versus Board ki ruling thi, to integrate the system. And so she was one of them. And she is right here in this. And so what happened was she grew up in a very diverse, very cosmopolitan system with lots of friends who were Black, white, Latino, all those. So I think there's a lot to be said for diversity. And this is her in front of Mrs. Sheldon, and look at her with those two braids.
Yeah.
Do you remember yourselves like that in school? So it's a very touching, beautiful story, and something we can all relate to. This is her becoming sworn in as a senator. Very sorry. And as I said, Mrs. Sheldon was a big part of her life, and so was. And then I wanted to show you her husband. So the book is divided into a bit of the history of her famous legislation, a little bit of her personal story. So by the end, since I knew a lot of these public things that she had done, since we live in California, it got a little bit difficult to read, but I think you will all enjoy it. And this one is Maya holding the Bible, and this is Dianne Feinstein swearing her in as senator in 2016. So I did want to mention her mother ended up having breast cancer. So she did die in, I think, 2016. And, many Indian women have said, oh, she doesn't play up her Indian part. I just wanted to mention that she took the ashes of her mother to immerse them in the ocean near Tamil Nadu. So I think she has done a great job balancing both traditions. But of course, she has embraced her Black identity much more so because it's also the politically correct thing to do. And you can't blame her for that. But this is her wedding picture. And these are her chitties, her two aunts on each side. Yes. And that's Doug Emhoff, the man you see there. And their story is very cute. He had decided to propose to her in Florence, Italy. And that day she had just returned from a very important meeting. You know, she had gone to see all these children who have been separated from their parents and got late coming back. And so she says, well, let's order some food in. I don't think I need to pack. But he has the ring in his pocket and he can't wait. So she just turns around and says, I don't know where my black pants are. And he's on his knee and saying, will you share my life with me? And she said she started to cry and her mascara is running and it's nothing Bollywood or Hollywood about it. But they are very good friends and they are partners. And so we are getting a package. And this is really cute. This is the bus. It's called the Kamoji bus because it has an emoji of Kamala. I don't know if you see it. It is really a cute caravan. This is the bus that they're all going through around the country, canvassing for each other. And now I think I'm ready for questions.
ਬਲਜੀਤ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਾਈਏ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਚਾਹ ਦੋ ਗੁੱਤਾਂ ਕਰ ਮੇਰੀਆਂ that song applies so much to Kamala here.
That's right.
But
we all had this kind of
that's right. Do gutta kar meriyan. And I'm just amazed by Gopalan, Shamla Gopalan, to come at the age of 19 to Berkeley and then look at what she's going through. I mean, she's a Tamil conservative family
Don't
member.
Assume that. Don't assume
I mean, Tamils are generally so, different than Punjabis are a little more daring and the other part.
Not with the girls.
But this girl comes into Berkeley, marries a foreigner, and then
a black gentleman.
Black gentleman on top of that one, then goes through divorce, then decides that I'm going to go she starts going to black churches, black way of life. I mean, the whole story is so different than what you expect from Indians. It's just an amazing story. And then Kamala is taking it to the next level. So it's awesome. But let's ask questions. Yeah, go ahead.
But I don't understand, like when she had divorced from her husband and she had two daughters with her, why did she really go to the black side rather than go to the Indian side?
मैं बताऊं?
हाँ जी, वीना जी बताइए.
Can I talk? In 72, I had a South Indian friend, and they were friends with them.
Achha.
So they were from the same town,
Right.
and I have seen these girls. They were little because my friend also had same age group girls. Maybe older one was little older. So they used to, this is not Shamla, like Bhai Sahib is saying. She was a very, very strong woman actually. When she got married also, she did not tell her family. But eventually they came to know because 72, when I have seen them, so my friend was telling me she's going through a divorce that time, 72, 73, okay? So she was going through divorce that time. So, why she went to black community? Indians were not good enough to accept these kind of situations.
Yes, I was going to say.
We were not that liberal. She was very, very open-minded. For her, there was no barrier for that thing. So my friend who was South Indian, and they were friends, they lived in the same area, and the kids, and I was going to Berkeley to take classes. While coming, I will stop at Padma's house, and this Sharmala sometime come there and have a tea. So we all had a tea there. That time I see the kids are playing, and I totally forgot about those girls. When she became Attorney General, then my friend told me, these are the same girls whose mother was going through divorce. I think it may be 72 or 73.
So, Bajiti, if I could respond to that, don't forget, it's like, she's 19, 20 years. She's a young person, right?
Yes.
And she's already living in an all-black neighborhood, correct?
Right.
And she finds what she's going through, like Veena ji said, how many Indians would have accepted them, right? Ki divorce,
Exactly.
do bache hain. And
Uh,
she made a strategic, very smart decision कि दुनिया वाले इनको black समझेंगे चाहे वो आधे हिंदुस्तानी हैं.
uh-huh.
And I think she made a very smart decision that way. So you should give her credit ki she moved on and she
Yeah.
found this wonderful support system. When you read about her story, the reason she comes out as being so joyful, and it's not that constant chip on the shoulder that you see with many Black Lives Matter people कि हर वक्त victim नहीं है
हाँ,
वो psychology नहीं है,
बिल्कुल.
because her early upbringing was in the arms of loving families and
Right,
extended support system. And
right,
so
And
wherever you get it,
she
and
has
you're
other
so
brothers
much
and
more
sisters.
flexible at 22 than you are when you're much older, you know.
right,
So,
right.
but her parents did accept her marriage. They even, I think Dinesh was mentioning, put out a little samachar hota hai na ji, announcement
Yeah.
hota hai in the Times of
Mhm.
India or something about her marriage. So they were a liberal family, and she was the
Yes.
oldest child, and her brother Bala. So they wanted to put her in hospice. Kamala said, you're having a hard time. She said, no way, I'm not going to hospice. Very nice Jewish home, looks great. She comes home, and this night, Kamala realizes that she's failing. Her mother is failing. She calls Bala, which is Mamaji. He arrives the next day. He takes a flight. This is now, up to flights, mein isme problem nahi hai. And
Mm-hmm.
she literally, it seems like, waited for him to arrive, and she dies that day. So she
Mm,
hasn't seen her as vice president.
yeah, yeah.
But
Wow.
as she quoted her, you may be the first to do things, but make sure you're not the last. So it's really wonderful story. And I know Dinesh has a question about why is the father not involved and why not.
See,
So that,
Acha ji, you are absolutely right. Shamla was very, very strong.
yeah,
Whatever you are saying is absolutely right. Otherwise, even in today's society, also being a Indian mothers, we tell our children, don't marry Muslim, don't marry blacks, don't marry. We advise that. Look at her in 1960s, a late 60. She's marrying.
right.
Look at
It
her,
is a,
Shamla.
it
I
is
really
a
give
meeting of the
hats off
minds.
to Shamla.
Yes, it's a meeting of the minds. And
That's
this is what
hats
she
off to
talks
Shamla.
about.
That's
She
Yeah.
liked to do everything completely. So when her water broke, she says, first time, she made sure she was in the lab. She finished her project before going to the hospital. And the second time, she was baking apple strudel, and she made sure that was out of the oven before she went to the hospital. So that just gives you an idea of the kind of person she was. And I think
Yes.
also the example of the extended family. We forget uh, nature and nurture are both important. So, of course, she comes with this background. She's nurtured in this hotbed of liberal ideas, and then ends up having this warm support of Mrs. Sheldon and all these. And I think when you even look back at Holocaust victims, we had gone to a talk at Columbia, and this professor se पूछा गया कि आप you were a part of that Holocaust genocide hua tha. How come you still have your joie de vivre? How come you're still happy? And she says, our first 6 to 8 years were so happy that we know what it means to be joyful. So please remember with your grandkids, make them
Yes.
as supported, as secure as possible, because that sets the tone for the rest of your life.
I think we have Rajpal Singh here. He wants to say
हाँ
something.
जी, जरूर।
Beautiful.
जी,
Raj-
कैसे हैं?
Very nice. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा आशा जी, बहुत ही अच्छा. It was very interesting and really good. Really
I'm
well
so
done.
glad you enjoyed it.
Yes.
राजपाल जी कुछ कहना चाहते हो?
मैं पहले 1 मिनट इनके बारे में कहना चाहता हूँ. मुझे मजा आ गया. मैंने सारा आपने जो बोला है,
हाँ जी,
incredible, very interesting story. I think stories like that are inspiring for our children. If
exactly.
we tell them what they have done, people who came in 60s and and what they have done in Berkeley and what they have done with their life.
Right.
So very, very interesting. Thank you so much.
Certainly. So I just want to mention कि I took a trip of Berkeley, and parking lot में एक sign था, Nobel Prize winners only. So
I see.
Yes.
That's great.
वो खाली पड़ा था, ये कार खड़ी थी वहां पे.
नहीं कार नहीं खड़ी थी, जगह थी. मैंने सोचा मैं पार्क कर लूं, but I couldn't. I guess. But the interesting part is they said कि जब किसी को Nobel Prize मिलता है, they open up his class to every student in the student body. They can come and take a class with this Nobel Prize winner. So I don't know if you know it, but अभी भी 2 physics के prizes Berkeley को ही मिले हैं, and one of them is a lady. So
Yeah.
I just
Yes.
wanted to show with you that the power of ideas, the power of mind is so good and so
And-
strong. And that's the power of ideas that brought us to America. That's the reason we
Yeah.
voted
Yes.
Mr. Trump out. And
Very-
that's the legacy
Absolutely.
that
But,
we-
but I think the message we need to get from here is that we need to look at our grandchildren and give them this confidence that you see being given to her by her mom and then the whole
Yes.
family around there, that you can do anything in the world. Don't
Mhm.
that's the message that we need to convey to our
Exactly.
yeah. So
I think
Absolutely.
potential we are not realizing it, so we can develop it more.
I know we are still sometimes money focused or other issues focused, and we need to really give an example to our children. Look at this. This world is yours. You can do anything you want.
Exactly.
And it also reaffirms that the feeling that all of us had, जब हम आए थे, we felt this is a meritocracy. And for most part, it is a meritocracy. Of course, depends on who you know, what you know, but color and sex didn't really become a barrier. And the cream rises to the top. You just have to have the right boil to it.
Exactly. Yeah, that's true.
I
Thank
think
you
we
so
have
much.
any more questions, comments?
Thank you.
I think somebody's trying to say something.
No, it's wonderful to hear about Kamala Harris from your words and from the book. Really good. It's a very inspiring story. And Asha ji, you have put it very nicely.
Excellent, Asha ji. Thank
So
you very
glad
much.
you enjoyed it, Pushpan.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Take
much.
care. Have fun.
God bless you.
I'll make a funny comment. मैं मद्रासियों का मजाक उड़ाता था. I can't do that anymore.
No.
No more, no more.
No more.
So,
Asha ji, this
Thank
is second time I am hearing you.
Yes, yes.
Very,
Oh,
very
this-
interesting.
I
Very,
know.
very elaborate and very, very nice.
I'm
I
so
love
glad
it.
you enjoyed it.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love it really.
Thank you. That's the best compliment कि आप दूसरी बार आई हैं. Thank you.
Very interestingly you said about Kamala Harris, and then really it's inspiring to all of us, and then very interesting
Yes.
to know about
absolutely.
her lifestyle, and then like her childhood.
Yes.
So just I want to know why the Kamala Harris is considered to be a black. Do you think it's
Yeah.
Yes, Ratna ji, the
Father.
two things. One is your paternity usually determines what you are. Dusra,
Uh-huh.
because when you look at them, this society, अगर आप white हैं यहाँ पे, तो
Yeah.
आप उनको black ही समझेंगे, right? Even Mr. Obama, he had a
Yeah.
very white upbringing. Hawaii में वो
I
private
know.
school में गए हैं.
Yeah.
उससे उनका नाम Barry होता था, अपने grandparents के पास रहे हैं. And at some point he realized कि one who looks at me as black. So that's
Yeah.
when he wanted to rediscover his heritage. इसी तरह से
Oh.
Kamala की mother ने decide किया कि the world will see them as black. और हम इतने numbers में नहीं थे उस समय. We were not that
Yeah,
many
yeah.
here. So, जहाँ पे support system मिलता है आपको, they have a good saying यहाँ पे कि how is a woman like a tea bag? The more hot
Okay.
water she gets into, the stronger she gets.
Oh,
And
yeah.
the story of Shamala.
Yes, that's a yeah. One more thing, you just said that she was in her sister Maya
Yes.
was there in the swearing ceremony.
Yes.
For what that swearing ceremony was going on that time?
It was
It's
for
not-
senator. Senator के लिए.
is
Senator.
that,
She became
Okay.
senator. हाँ जी.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So,
So
Daesh-
the sister is allowed on the stage, right?
Yes.
Actually, her sister worked for MSNBC. You may see her on TV sometime.
Yes.
She's a political analyst.
Oh, is that right? I've never seen her.
Yes,
Is it- Maya
she's-
is there? Wow.
And
MS
Meena
no,
Harris,
Maya worked.
और वो जो बच्चे आप देख रहे थे ना स्टेज पे,
Yeah, yeah.
मीना के बच्चे, उसकी niece के बच्चे,
मीना के बच्चे.
Oh,
and she's also a lawyer, studied at Harvard. तो बड़ी
Yes.
bright family है.
very bright है फिर तो. Yeah,
I know.
very
That's what the ladies
intelligent.
say. It's the Tam Bram brain.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
और दोनों
लेकिन
बहनें
तो-
इस वो जैसे कहते हैं जॉन एफ कैनेडी का ब्रदर रॉबर्ट कैनेडी जो था उसका पूरा सपोर्टर और असिस्टेंट था. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम जॉन एफ कैनेडी को एज प्रेसिडेंट होती थी वो रॉबर्ट को बोलता था जाके सॉल्व करके आ. इट्स द सेम टाइप ऑफ रिलेशनशिप दैट्स हैपनिंग नाउ बिटवीन कमला एंड माया. कमला
Oh,
पॉलिटिकल
okay.
ऑफिस में है लेकिन कोई प्रॉब्लम जो इनसाइड स्कूप चाहिए होती है वो माया ढूंढ के लाती है उसके लिए कि
अच्छा,
ये you know this politician is
She's
doing
surrounded
this.
by a lot of very caring people, and she's brought
Intelligent
them
people.
along. The best part about Kamala is, and this is what you don't see with many women, कि जब वो top पे पहुंचती हैं, अपने साथ किसी को लेके नहीं आती. इन्होंने हर एक पल पे, even the program she did Back on Track, she brought this black lady in who was a community organizer, Lenora. So she
Oh.
just brought all these people along with her. And so
Oh.
she has a team that is extremely loyal to her, that
Very.
believes in her. And what a great way, वो कहते हैं ना, birds को fly करने के लिए wind under them. The wind.
म्यूट कर दीजिए.
Yeah, I think we are getting close to the end, but I'll
Yeah.
mute also.
आशा जी,
हाँ जी.
आशा जी, मैं भी दोबारा देख रही हूँ आपका पूरा
अच्छा।
प्रोग्राम.
Okay.
बहुत अच्छा.
Actually,
Asha is
tomorrow is Veterans Day.
Asha has a fan club now, huh? Is that what we are hearing?
ये
Asha,
नहीं,
good,
इसमें कोई शक नहीं, वो जो कुछ बोलती है सुनने में अच्छा लगता है,
good.
चाहे समझ में ना आए तब भी.
I'm glad you
के बाहर हो सब.
मेरी समझ में तो कुछ नहीं आता सुभाषिनी जी. You're right.
Now you are number 2.
That's
All right, let's
Okay.
bring this
Thank
meeting
you. Have
to.
a great evening. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Asha ji. Thank you
Okay,
so
before
much.
we close, actually tomorrow is a Veterans Day, so Mr. Raj is here to speak.
Oh,
something
that's
about
right.
Veterans
That's
Day.
right. राज का अब पता लगा क्यों आया ये.
ये जब छुट्टी का टाइम होता है ना, जब छुट्टी होती है तभी मेरी याद आती है.
या छुट्टी क्यों मनाते हैं हमको मालूम नहीं होता है या क्यों छुट्टी क्यों मनाते हैं ये लोग.
हाँ,
नहीं, राजपाल हमेशा छुट्टी पे होता है इसलिए इसको बुलाते हैं हम.
right, right.
आजा राजपाल. Go ahead.
Anyway, I'm going to say a few things about Veterans Day. कल छुट्टी है 11th, and Veterans Day is always 11th of the month. नवंबर में 11th day को हम Veterans Day मनाते हैं. So let me tell you what is Veterans Day and why it is a Veterans Day. So on Veterans Day, we honor military veterans, and we honor those who have served the country, who have served United States, and who have been discharged honorably from the army. तो ये कैसे शुरू हुआ, कैसे ये आगे बढ़ा? तो this is an old story about 100 years ago. 1918 में जब World War I जो खत्म हुई, तो उसके बाद there was an agreement signed that the war is over between different countries, and they started celebrating that day. So 1919 में 11th को, this was first time celebrated, and they called it Armistice Day. Armistice, they meant that this is a agreement between the different countries that the war is over. तो ऐसे celebrate किया जाता था उस time पे. And we also celebrate Remembrance Day. Remembrance Day is different. That उसमें हम ये कहते हैं कि भाई उनको remember करते हैं. Then there is a Memorial Day. Memorial Day is for honoring the day. On that day, we honor the people who have given up their life for the country. We are honoring the right. तो ये अलग अलग नाम है, लेकिन बात एक ही है. हम आर्मी का उनको सल्यूट करते हैं, ऑनर करते हैं. In 1954 was the first time that the United States government decided to call it a Veterans Day. So this became a national holiday, कि मतलब सारी कंट्री में सेलिब्रेट होता है, पर थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के अंदर, एंड पीपल सेलिब्रेट इट डिफरेंटली। तो गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिस क्लोज होते हैं, पोस्ट ऑफिस क्लोज होता है, कई जगह बहुत सी सेरेमनीज होती हैं, जैसे कम्युनिटी के अंदर दे डू फ्लैग रेजिंग एंड दे पार्टिसिपेट इन ए मूवमेंट ऑफ साइलेंस और प्लेज ऑफ एलिगेंस करते हैं फ्लैग को। तो ऐसी ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती हैं, कई बार परेड भी होती है। पर इस साल बिकॉज ऑफ द कोरोना वायरस आई डोंट थिंक वी विल हैव दोज एक्टिविटीज, तो बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट असेंबली एनीवेयर इन अ बिग नंबर, तो आई थिंक वी विल जस्ट पास इट ऑन कि भाई नहीं होगा कुछ, एंड सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग करोगे या कुछ ऐसे करोगे तो मे बी सम स्मॉल सेरेमनी विल बी डन। सो दिस इज व्हाट वेटरन्स डे इज, एंड एंजॉय योर हॉलीडेज।
ना वेटरन्स डे सिर्फ आर्मी वालों के लिए नहीं है, नेवी एयरफोर्स सब वालों के लिए होता है, राइट?
Right.
या
मरीन्स इन
Forces.
every branch of armed forces,
Military, all the military.
all the military. Okay, good, thank you. That's
Okay.
that's all. All right. Who has the
भैया अभी क्लोजिंग प्रेयर करना।
Who is closing prayer? कोई है?
बलजीत तो है।
मेरी बारी है? अच्छा।
Yeah.
मेरे को, मैं तो I was so lost in the presentation that I did not even think about it. अच्छा, अभी बोलती हूँ। बारिश की बूंदें भले ही छोटी हों, बारिश की बूंदें भले ही छोटी हों, लेकिन उनका लगातार बरसना बड़ी नदियों का बहाव बन जाता है। जैसे ही हमारे छोटे छोटे प्रयास भी जिंदगी में बड़ा परिवर्तन ला सकते हैं। So appropriate for Kamala Harris's thing. एक बार बारिश की बूंदें भले ही छोटी हों, लेकिन उनका लगातार बरसना बड़ी नदियों का बहाव बन जाता है। वैसे ही हमारे छोटे छोटे प्रयास भी जिंदगी में बड़ा परिवर्तन ला सकते हैं। Thank you.
Very good. That's a very appropriate. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. All right. Thursday का प्रोग्राम की डिटेल बता दीजिए आप। और
थर्सडे को, अरे ये तो मैं थर्सडे को तो मैं इतने दिन से इंतजार कर रही हूँ। दिवाली आ गई है भाई। 12 तारीख को हमारा इतना वंडरफुल प्रोग्राम होने वाला है। हम पे अपनी तारीफ खुद ही कर देते हैं।
Don't forget to record it also.
Yes, we are going to record it. तो अभी